Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you a website that you can use to transfer the file to any other device like AirDrop style. Yes, you can do it. All you need to do is to just simply open any of the browser you have in your device and in the other device as well. And here you have to search for Sharedrop.io. Once you do that, a website will open right in front of you, and it's a very simple interface. Here you have to just simply upload the file, and the other person uses this particular website in particular City. He or she will get the notification that you are uploading some files, and he or she can download the file once you approve them, so that you can easily transfer the file in between without any hardware, without any cables, like a airdrop feature. Alright, so that's it for this video. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.